Hello, biologists. We're going to play a practice game. Prokaryote or eukaryote? All right. Is this one a prokaryote or eukaryote? Next, ask yourself, how do you know? This is going to be a eukaryote. I can tell this is a eukaryote because it has membrane-bound organelles. These are plant cells. So this is a cell wall. Inside the cell wall is the cell membrane. And then each one of these green structures is a chloroplast. A chloroplast is a membrane-bound organelle. So this must be a eukaryote. It's not showing us the nuclei. So like nuclei doesn't have to be our go-to thing to identify prokaryote versus eukaryote. What about this? This is Amanita pantherina. It's a beautiful fungus. I found it here on Mount Hood's campus. Prokaryote or eukaryote? Do fungi have nuclei? They do. So it's a eukaryote. It has fungi, or it has nuclei. It has mitochondria. It does not have chloroplasts. It does not do photosynthesis. It eats just like you and I do. What about Max? He is a eukaryote. All mammals are eukaryote. So he knows he's not allowed on the table, by the way. So he got into the box so that he's not on the table. Now you observe two cells. One of them is 100 microns, so micrometers in diameter. The second one is 1 micron. Which one is more likely to be a prokaryote? The itty bitty one. So in general, the smaller the cell is, the more likely that it's going to be a bacteria. Bacteria are really tiny. They're about the equivalent size of a mitochondria, so you could fit thousands of them into a paramecia. This is the tip of a needle. So here's the needle in purple. Then I have all these orange cells. Do you think these orange cells are eukaryotes or prokaryotes? Those are bacteria, and so they are prokaryotes. They do not have membrane-bound organelles, so no mitochondria, no chloroplasts, no endoplasmic reticulum. In 2011, scientists discovered the oldest fossil known yet. It was 3.4 billion years old. Here's an image of it. Got the membrane. If something is that old, is it more likely to be a prokaryote or a eukaryote? And this question's kind of asking you which type of cell is older. Prokaryotes are older. So it's more likely to be a prokaryote. Eukaryotes evolved later. I have 3 videos to watch in accordance with this video series. The first is the wacky history of the cell theory. The next one is the theory of endosymbiosis. So this is going to help explain the evolution of organelles, just like that last question was asking about. And then you're going to watch a beautiful animation that's going to take you inside of a cell. There's no words describing what's happening in this. It's music set, but you're going to have a white blood cell climb into a cell and start to like look around. So you'll see microtubules, you'll see vesicles. This is a motor protein. It's really cool. So I recommend definitely enjoying that. Great. I will talk to you soon. Bye.